Welcome to Planet Pulse. In our second video, we're addressing the urgent issue of plastic pollution in our oceans and the critical steps we need to take to protect marine life and our planet. Did you know? We produce over 300 million tons of plastic each year, which is more than the weight of the entire human population. Tragically, every minute, a garbage truck's worth of plastic waste is dumped into the oceans. Our once pure oceans are now drowning in plastic, transforming into toxic graveyards. This is the story of our generation's most pressing crisis. By 2050, it is estimated that there will be more plastic in the ocean than fish by weight. Plastic has infiltrated even the deepest ocean trenches and the most remote islands, poisoning the life forms that sustain the delicate marine ecosystem, and eventually us. Marine biologists like Dr. Sylvia Earle and Dr. Richard Thompson have found microplastics in the flesh of fish, in the stomachs of sea turtles, and even in the Arctic ice. These plastics are breaking down into micro and nano-sized particles, which are nearly impossible to clean up, and have entered our food chain. Plastic pollution doesn't just threaten marine life, it's a silent killer in our food, water, and air. Microplastics have been detected in 94% of US tap water and 83% of European tap water, meaning if you're consuming seafood, you might be ingesting up to 11,000 tiny plastic particles each year. These fibers are now even found in the air we breathe. Animals are suffering immensely, often dying from suffocation or starvation due to the plastic we discard thoughtlessly. With these deaths, we edge closer to a future where our oceans can no longer support life, ours included. This crisis is not just environmental, it's deeply humanitarian. In regions with poor waste management, plastic waste creates hazardous dump sites, leaching toxic chemicals into the ecosystem and leading to increased rates of cancers and respiratory diseases in nearby communities. What can you do? We still have time to turn the tide, but it requires action from all of us. Here's how you can help. Step 1. Ditch single-use plastics. Refuse items like plastic bags, straws, and bottles. Opt for reusable alternatives. Every piece of plastic you refuse is one less piece that could end up in the ocean. Step 2. Innovate in your own life. Start small by creating a zero-waste kit, using plastic-free toiletries, and buying in bulk to cut down on packaging. Organize or participate in local cleanup events. You can also turn plastic waste into useful items or artwork that raises awareness. Step 3. Demand corporate responsibility. Support businesses that focus on reducing plastic waste and are developing sustainable alternatives. Advocate for laws that ban single-use plastics and hold corporations accountable for their plastic footprints. Step 4. Educate and advocate. Share this critical information with your community and on social media. Awareness is key. The more people understand the impact of plastic pollution, the more we can pressure governments and companies to act. The oceans are the heart of our planet, sustaining life for billions of years. Now, it's our duty to give back. Let's meet this challenge together and ensure our oceans can thrive for generations to come. Act now. Refuse, reduce, recycle. Together, we can reclaim our oceans. Join us at Planet Pulse.